Good day and welcome to the session on artificial intelligence security. I'm sure you will all agree that we live in an age of a rapid technological advancement. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's woven into a fabric of our daily lives. This widespread adoption of AI brings immense opportunity, but it also introduces new security challenges that we must address proactively. What if AI could predict your future down to a smallest detail? Or imagine a world where AI-powered algorithms determine your home loan eligibility, job prospect, or even legal sentencing. What if these algorithms were biased, leading to unfair outcomes? AI are becoming deeply integrated into cultural infrastructure and decision-making processes. Like, for example, you may be using your smartphone, smart home devices. When it comes to the business operations, there could be a lot of data analysis and automation. And when it's used in critical infrastructure like power grids, energy sector, transportation systems. This worldwide penetration means that the security of AI system is no longer just a technical concern, it's a matter of personal safety, economic stability, and national security. Why AI security is crucial? You would have heard by now on manipulated medical diagnosis, hacked self-driving cars, biased algorithms, etc. Imagine a medical diagnosis system manipulated to give incorrect results, or a self-driving car whose navigation system is hacked. The consequences could be devastating. It is very vital to have security and privacy control as part of the design and by default in all the AI systems. Organizations may plan to develop applications completely on their own or may leverage from open sources. There are possibly three scenarios. Organizations may do a development ground up, right from scratch, or they leverage from the open source, like consuming applications from the open source community, or they could use fine-tuning option. Once again, they would leverage the open source community to train the data that's available from the open source and then fine-tune the data to use the algorithm with which they can deliver the services or the products for the community at large. It emphasizes a lot of AI security consideration during AI architecting. So the AI architecting involves AI tech stack, which includes your compute, your storage, your network, and software. So the building blocks is primarily on these four. And as an AI security officer, the individual would be contributing on security for all these four elements of the AI tech stack. Where do I start with AI security? Securing AI is a shared responsibility that spans the entire AI lifecycle, all the way from development to deployment and maintenance. The developer community, when they are developing an application, they should ensure that there is a secure coding practices in place. They do have a robust testing, followed by vulnerability assessment, as frequently that may be required. When it's coming to the deployed community, the deploying community or the organization which is going to have the AI application deployed should ensure that they are deploying this in a secure infrastructure and that they have a robust access control and continuous monitoring system. And it equally requires the maintenance of the application and the infrastructure. You ensure that you have a regular patch updates, patch management, and then an incident response plan. So every individual and organization involved in creating, developing, and using AI has a crucial role to play in ensuring its security. But wait a minute. Is there any framework that is available for the organization and the individual to refer to in order to build up or scale up or enhance their level of security and privacy for AI? Of course, yes. You have NIST framework for AI risk assessment, And equally, you have an ISO IEC 42001 2023, which is an artificial intelligence management system. Organization which is interested in setting up a standard or referring to a framework can definitely use these framework. And these are not the only framework. There are multiple such framework that the organization can leverage through. But mostly, the security aspect falls into four major categories. Predominantly, it's data poisoning, which is malicious altering training data to skew AI behavior, adversarial attack, crafting input designed to fool the AI system, model theft, stealing valuable AI models and intellectual property, bias and discrimination, AI system perpetuating or amplifying existing societal basis. It is just not limited to the four categories as I mentioned, but they are very crucial though. AI security for individuals. How individuals can protect themselves. Is it enough if the organization put all the controls for security and privacy? Is it enough? It is not the case so. Individuals in an organization should also contribute towards AI security and privacy. Individuals can protect themselves and also the valuable asset of the organization by using strong, unique password for online accounts, or they can keep software and device up to date with the latest security patches. Be cautious of any AI-based phishing scams and suspicious links, and be aware of the data that they may share with the AI application. Privacy is equally important. Individuals shall not share any of the privacy information into any of the online AI applications. They should be looking forward for the company policy about AI and then act accordingly. To conclude, AI has the potential to transform our world for a better, but only if we prioritize its security and privacy. By working together, individuals, organizations, and government can build a future where AI is both powerful and secure. Let's build a secure and trustworthy AI future together. Thank you.